Hey everyone and welcome. In this video I will teach you how to use DocuSign for wholesaling. So let's just begin. So you can see once you are on the platform you do get a lot of features to create an envelope template, sign a document and send an envelope. You can see we have the start option as well, and if you are looking at for wholesaling you can easily do it using sending your envelopes to custom domains or emails. So click on send an envelope option. Once you do that you need to fill a couple of fields. Now before we begin you can simply head over to the link in the description below where you will find 30 days free trial to the platform DocuSign, unlocking its premium features for free. So do try that out and unlock all of those features. Now what we need to do here is you need to upload your document in here, and once you do that you will be able to see that we have multiple different options. So let me just upload an option. Yeah, so I have uploaded a PDF. You need to add your recipients in here, and you can also add your custom messages and send it to anyone that you want. And basically this can help you to um, use your DocuSign for wholesaling and different other purposes as well. So I hope this was informative and see you guys around in the next video.